Making a difference in association with SNV.
Daniel scrapes a living growing tomatoes. Without regular clients or the selling power to get good prices, he cannot provide for his family. But now, increasing numbers of forward-thinking companies and low-income communities are benefiting from inclusive businesses. These allow small producers to become part of the value chain as both suppliers and consumers. We're seeing low-income communities playing a vital role in economic development. Take Robert, for example. As a local tomato grower, he's now getting opportunities to sell directly to companies like us. While his profits are increasing, we're obtaining top-quality products from a reliable source. I used to find it hard to get good prices for my tomatoes. Now I get technical assistance from a guaranteed buyer who gives me fair prices. Inclusive business has taught me so much. It has enabled me to make my land more productive and expand my business. Inclusive businesses are reducing poverty while generating profits. If applied globally, more people living in poverty could become involved in business as suppliers, distributors and consumers, giving them the power to decide their economic futures.
Making a difference in association with SNV.